You have the ability to have one object overlap another object and then have the object in front punch a hole through the object behind it. This is how you create what's called a compound path or a compound shape. So I'm going to demonstrate this by creating a donut. All right, and just follow along with me. We're going to go to the rectangle tool and we're going to hold the mouse down. And we're going to go for the ellipse tool. What we're going to do is we're going to hold down Shift and also either the Alt or the Option key depending on whether you're on a Mac or a Windows PC. And when we hold down that key in conjunction with Shift, we get this icon. This allows us to draw a perfectly constrained shape from the center of where we clicked. So this is our first shape. Let's go ahead and give this guy a brown fill. We're going to make a donut here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go near that center again. And I'm going to hold down once again Shift in conjunction with either Alt or Option. And I'm going to click and I'm going to draw another shape from the center like so. This time I'm going to fill this one with white. Or actually, you know what we're going to do? No, we'll use white because I want to show you something very interesting. Now, I'm going to draw another shape. I'm going to draw a rectangle like so, and I'm going to color this blue. And I want to show you what the point of this is. I'm going to drag select to grab the white and the brown shapes here. I'm going to go to Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. This will bring these two shapes in front of this shape here to show you that we can't see through this circle because this is a filled shape. Now, here's the magic. With these guys selected, don't forget the little circle here is going to punch through the brown one by going to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now that white shape is gone, and now we can see through this shape here. And we can move it around, and now we have something like a donut, which is kind of cool. Now, just in case you wanted to know how that works, what happens is whatever shape you have in front is the shape that the operation looks at and decides that it's going to take that shape and drill a hole through whatever you have there. So let's go ahead and try that again. I'm going to move this over. And this time let's go ahead and draw a rectangle. We'll draw a blue rectangle like so. And we'll go over here and we're going to grab our star tool. And this time we'll go and overlap it partially like so. Alright, so we're going to create a completely different kind of shape. And as you can see, the color really doesn't matter because, we're going to get this hole anyway, but I always like to color it anyway so I can just see what I'm doing. So I'm going to grab both of these shapes, alright? I'm going to grab both of them by drag selecting. We'll go to Object, Compound Path, Make. And now we have this really interesting kind of logo kind of shape. So it can come in quite handy. And once again, the beauty is I can always take other shapes, whatever kind of shape I want, and I can just have that as a different color, and I can always send that object to the back of this shape. And we have a very interesting mix of shapes by using the compound path operation.